I love working in multiple industries and working with lots of different clients who are very different from one another. Because that keeps my job exciting. It makes sure that my work is never boring, and it also makes me more marketable. So I can sell myself easily to a client in any industry because I've worked in most of them. When I hit a roadblock, that's usually just an indication that I need to take a break. So everybody gets to the point where you kind of lose that creativity a little bit. Sometimes it's as easy as popping a piece of gum. I always keep a stack of gum in my drawer in my office. Sometimes I need to go take a walk or do some exercising to kind of, get the juices flowing and get outside my head a little bit. Sometimes it's just switching projects. So maybe I'll put down one client and pick up another one. And then sometimes it just means I need to put it to bed for the night. I've hit a wall mentally and I don't have anything left and I need to just sleep on it and pick it back up the next day. That's the great thing about freelancing is I don't punch a time clock, so I can work when I'm creative. If I come up with something in the middle of the night, I can run down to my office that's in my house and knock something out. So that's just one of the major perks of working for yourself.